What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me undelivered. It's beneficial that I'm beneficial for you, babe, but you acting like you don't remember. Whole time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas, sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love, cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe.
Whoa, little sexy! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute crochet. Yes, you heard me right. It is a crochet hairstyle. I did leave hair out around my perimeter and a little bit in the middle so that I could do 2 braids if I want, because I feel like that's just easier for like going to the gym so it won't get all tangled. You know, just for at work, I decided to give myself a middle part as well so that I could put it in 2 braids to keep it out the way if I wanted. So before we get started, if you have not yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification symbol so that you get notified when I upload, because when you subscribe to see my videos, right? Well, sometimes YouTube doesn't always show you guys all my videos unless you click that bell. So make sure you click that bell so that you can get notified each and every time that I upload. For this hairstyle, I just got 2 packs of braiding hair from my local beauty supply store. I don't remember the name of it off tops, but I do have footage of the hair that I used, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. Yeah, I used 2 complete packs, so this is 2 full packs, and y'all, guess how much this hair costs? Like, I'm so shook because I did this kinky straight crochet look one time before, but I used the what is it called? I used the definition braid by Afri Natural, I think, and that pack is like $10 for 1 pack, and I was really looking for that, but I could not find it at any of my local beauty supplies, and I did not feel like waiting for shipping. So yeah, this is the hair that I got, and I'm just rambling, but y'all, this hair, just guess how much this hair costs. I'ma wait. Comment down below how much you think this hair costs. Girl, $3.50. Like, this hair was $3.50 a pack, and I've had it in for like 3 days now, and it's still super nice and flowy. And y'all, like, I got some close-ups of the texture so that you guys can see how flawlessly this blends in with natural hair. What I did to achieve this style is I first started off by blow drying my hair, and then I braided it up and the braid pattern that I wanted, and it looks kind of complicated, but I promise you it's really simple. I just did 2 perimeter braids basically, so one going down the front and all the way down the side and underneath, and then the other braid I did starting from the top and just all the way straight down. Then in the middle I just did a zigzag, so side to side braid, and so I did that on both sides, and then I just went ahead and crocheted the hair in. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of me actually crocheting the hair. I took very small sections and just crocheted little by little all the way up, and I did go ahead and snip some of the ends off that were like straggly as I was going so that I could keep it nice and even. So in total, I think it took me 1 hour to do the braid pattern and then 1 hour to crochet each side. So yeah, it's just a regular basic crochet, nothing special. I'll show you guys here how I did crochet it, and I think I looped each piece 3 times just so that it could be nice and secure. But the way this texture is, you really don't have to worry about it slipping anyway, because it is a kinky-ish texture. Like I said before, I blow dried my hair first and then I braided it up, and then for the leave out I did go ahead and lightly, and when I say lightly I mean on the lowest heat, I did lightly flat iron my hair so that it could be, you know, kinky straight. And this is the final look, you guys, and I can wear it so many ways. Like I said, I left a part down the middle so that I could do 2 braids, and I left leave out all around, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks if I was to put it up in a ponytail. And I am just so in love with this hair. The hair was super long. If I would have left it as long as it came in the pack, it would have went down to my butt, but I did show you guys how much hair I cut off, and I only cut it off from one side. So you know, braiding hair is like this. I only cut it off from one side, and then I just pulled those ends so that they would both have pulled ends or whatever you call it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you have not already, and any comments or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.